Hi guys, today I will show you 10 best cars selected by ChatGPT. Let's not forget that these selected machines are for the ones currently available. ChatGPT made some interesting choices. I hope you will like this video. Do not forget to write your thoughts in the comments. Let's go 10. Subaru Outback, 2023. Its lifted ride height and tough-looking exterior allow the 2023 Subaru Outback to blend in among SUVs, but its station wagon body gives you added practicality. While it can venture further off-road than a traditional station wagon, you won't see the Outback tackling trails in Moab next to Jeep Wranglers or Ford Broncos. Shoppers have the choice of either a non-turbo or turbocharged four-cylinder engine, but all Outbacks come standard with all-wheel drive and a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT. Rivals including the Audi A4 Allroad and the Volvo V60 Cross Country offer similar looks, but the Outback has the lifted station wagon aesthetic and capability for thousands less than those luxury cars. 9. Ford Mustang, 2023. For more than 55 years, the Ford Mustang has continued to evolve into a more sophisticated steed. This iteration comes standard with a 310 horsepower turbocharged inline-4 EcoBoost engine with a 6-speed manual transmission. And while the pony car gets as wild as the 760 horsepower Shelby GT500, reviewed separately, the more conventional choice is the Mustang GT with the 450 horsepower V8 engine. Both the 4-cylinder and V8 can be mated to a manual transmission or a 10-speed automatic. Mustangs are offered either as a hardshell coupe or ragtop convertible, but every Mustang powers the rear wheels. Although a high-performance 330 horsepower EcoBoost is an available upgrade for the 4-cylinder, the Mustang is best served with the growling V8. While its closest muscular rival, the Chevy Camaro, has a more ergonomic interior, the Mustang's larger back seat and better outward visibility make it easier to live with. 8. Mercedes-Benz S-Class, 2023. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class maintains superiority by being the full-size luxury sedan by which all others are judged. The S-Class satisfies the tastes of its moneyed clientele with stacks of fine materials, deep-seated comfort, and loads of technology. There are two models, both equipped with standard 4MATIC all-wheel drive, the S500 and S580, each with an exclusive powertrain. The S500 comes with a silken, 429 horsepower turbocharged straight-six, while the S580 bosses up with a smooth 496 horsepower V8. The plug-in hybrid S580e makes 510 horsepower and can travel around 40 miles or so on electricity alone. The Mercedes-Maybach S-Class Super Luxury model, reviewed separately, offers an absolutely decadent experience. Although the S-Class's priority to comfort and swankiness is obvious from the thick leather thrones in the front and rear rows, its standard air suspension completes the experience by turning the road to velvet. And the optional e-active body control will even lean the car into corners to help you avoid spilling any of your champagne cocktail, which you are enjoying in the comfort of the available power-adjustable, reclining rear seats with their heated massage function. The S-Class does a brilliant job of making the good life real. 7. BMW 3 Series, 2023. Few cars are capable of serving the gods of both comfort and sportiness as well as the 2023 BMW 3 Series sedan. This perennial favorite can be outfitted as a corner-carving sports sedan or a well-appointed entry luxury car, or a combination of both. Its three available turbocharged powertrains deftly walk the line between power and polish. The entry-level 330i and plug-in hybrid 330e offer impressive performance with above-average fuel economy, while the turbocharged inline-six in the top-dog M340i packs 382 of the biggest, strongest horses this side of the Bavarian Alps. The 3 Series doesn't have the style of the Alfa Romeo Giulia or the value-packed features list of the Genesis G70, but it's so well-rounded, athletic, and engaging to drive that it stands at the very top of our segment rankings. 6. Mazda MX-5 Miata, 2023. To call the 2023 Mazda MX-5 Miata an icon would be an understatement. The drop-top compact sports car reinvented the niche when it appeared for the first time back in 1989. Since then, it has only gotten better, honing its performance and handling to what it is today, one of the most entertaining things on four wheels. The Miata competes with the Subaru BRZ and Toyota GR86 twins, but unlike those coupes, it's offered with either of two open-top body styles, a cloth-top convertible or a retractable hardtop targa, called RF. All models are powered by a Revvy 181 horsepower four-cylinder and come with a standard 6-speed manual gearbox, a combination that recalls the sports cars of yesteryear. An automatic transmission is available, but stick with the manual. It makes this featherweight two-seater an engrossing drive partner. It isn't the best choice for daily commuting or long road trips, and tall drivers will find the cabin a bit cramped, but the Miata is equipped with the essentials, and its chassis is expertly tuned for maximum fun. 5. Honda Civic 2024, it's fuel-efficient, stylish, and fun to drive, all traits that make the 2024 Honda Civic a winner in our book. The Civic is the quintessential small car, and likely the one most people envision when they think of frugal, practical daily transport, even more so than rivals such as the Hyundai Elantra and the Mazda 3. Entry-level models come with a 158 horsepower 2.0-liter four-cylinder, but a more powerful 180 horsepower turbocharged 1.5-liter engine and a hybrid powertrain are also available. Touchscreen infotainment with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is standard across the lineup, and Honda equips every Civic with a generous list of driver assistance features too. It might not have the punch of the performance-oriented Civic C and Civic Type R, but the standard Civic still gives drivers a taste of the good stuff, with crisp handling and refined road manners. 4. Toyota Camry 2023. The Camry is a mainstay of the midsize sedan segment, which has been losing both entries and sales in recent years as the world has embraced SUVs. Nevertheless, while the market has changed, the Camry has continued to top the sales charts as the #1 selling passenger cars, a spot it's held for the past 20 years. It has a well-earned reputation reliability, and it offers a hybridized version that returns exceptional fuel economy. The current generation of the Camry borders on stylish, especially when optioned with the Nightshade package, which adds bronze wheels for 2023, or the sporty-looking TRD trim. And while many of the Camry's rivals, such as the Honda Accord and the Hyundai Sonata, have moved to four-cylinder lineups, Toyota's midsize sedan can still be had with an optional 301 horsepower V6. While it's far from an exciting car to drive, its safety features, economical engines, and spacious interior make it a competent and easy to live with daily driver. 3. Audi A4 2023. The 2023 Audi A4, like its A3, A6, and A8 sedan brethren, is dressed in a Brooks Brothers suit. Its design is conservative, it's carefully tailored, and it looks expensive, which it is. It comes across as classy and sporty in equal measure, and that's how it drives, luxury balanced by agility. Its turbocharged four-cylinder engines move it with authority and are fuel-efficient. Its standard all-wheel drive and taut suspension tuning offer balanced handling and helpful bad-weather grip. The interior is carefully assembled with premium materials and an attention to detail we expect from a premium maker like Audi, but the design could use more flair. Indeed, the same could be said of the somewhat staid exterior styling. Rivals such as the Alfa Romeo Giulia, the Genesis G70, and the Mercedes-Benz C-Class offer more flash or more driver engagement, or both. But the A4 excels at delivering its own brand of quietly expressed quality, making it an equally compelling luxury sedan. 2. Porsche 911 2023. If you close your eyes and picture a Porsche, it's likely that the 911 renders first in your imagination. This rear-engined fastback is a legend, and for good reason. Make that many reasons. For decades it has been a benchmark for performance and handling and feel, inspiring rivals such as the Aston Martin Vantage, the Audi R8, and the Maserati MC20, to name a few. The standard 911 sticks to its roots with a set of twin-turbo flat-six engines that have been tuned for up to 473 horsepower. Higher performance turbo and GT3 models are available. This is Porsche, of course, but we review those cars separately. Most 911 models have rear-wheel drive, but all-wheel drive is available. Coupe, cabriolet convertible, and Targa body styles are offered, and they have a cabin that is comfortable for two adults, whether it's been decked out in luxuries or left bone stock. The 911 superiority stems not only from its lofty performance capabilities, but also from the fact that it's comfortable enough to live with on a daily basis. 1. Tesla Model S, 2023, the car that kickstarted the EV revolution is starting to show its age. While the 2023 Tesla Model S falls behind newly developed rivals with more over-the-top features and longer driving ranges, the sedan-like hatchback continues to be competitive. After all, the Model S offers up to 405 miles of range on a single charge. Plus, the 1,020 horsepower tri-motor Plaid Performance model leaps to 60 miles per hour in just 2.1 seconds, which is as quick as a multi-million-dollar hypercar. However, cutting-edge competitors such as the BMW i7 and Lucid Air have taken much of the Tesla spotlight. The Model S also has a six-figure price tag that just doesn't jibe with its mid-lux interior, especially compared with the Lucid and BMW's deluxe cabins. We think the Tesla's odd yoke-style steering wheel compromises the driving experience, too, but at least a regular wheel is once again available. Still, the 2023 Model S remains the brand's flagship, offering access to its most up-to-date software and Tesla's advanced, albeit somewhat dubious, autopilot hands-free driving mode.